Hello, welcome to Ecuadorian Rainforest. How may I help you?
Do you have turkey for 2-1?
I'm sorry, we don't carry that.
So, you don't carry turkey for 2-1?
No.
Kosher certified turkey for 2-1?
No. We don't carry turkey 421. Can I interest you in our amazing superfruits?
I don't want macri berry. I want turkey 4% or 4-1.
We don't carry it.
What is the lead time? Is it irradiated? I can't accept irradiated material.
We don't offer irradiated turkey or turkey in general. Sorry.
Then can you get turkey for 2-1?
No.
Steam treated?
No.
Heat treated?
No.
So you don't actually carry turkey for 2-1.
Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at Ecuadorian Rainforest.